Hey guys, welcome back to HPI Auto. Today we have the 981 Boxster Spyder. This is an awesome vehicle. I'm a huge fan of the Cayman Boxster platform. This is basically a GT4 without a roof. Today we'll go over a few things about the car, a couple options, roof operation, and so forth. So to start us out, as you can see, it's basically a GT4 body with the front bumper that has the vent up top, the more aggressive front bumper. Wheels are a different wheel than the GT4, but still a really good looking wheel. This car has the factory satin black painted wheels. This car has the clear side markers, the Euro style. Now, usually it's an option that if you want the car to come with the amber or the Euro, the dealer can install the Euro for you when you order the car, or you can simply go online after purchase the car and buy Euro ones. You can get carbon ceramics on the car. This one has a steel option, which I'm also always a huge fan of. Coming around the side, you can see the the profile of the car is pretty aggressive. I love how it has the pass-through right here for the top, kind of the speedster look on the deck lid or trunk on this car per se. Has the rear wing like the GT4 is operated, it goes up and down. Same thing with the rear bumper is very just like the GT4, the center exit exhaust and a little aggressive on the diffuser. Now the main reason you want this car is to do cruises and go to the mountains and have the top down on a nice day. So a lot of people get confused about how do you open the top on these cars, because you can't just hit the button inside and it goes back. It's a little more involved than that. The way I always do is with the key, unlock the car, hold the key button down. So when you hold the unlock button down, what it's going to do is actually unlatches the mechanism up top for the top, pops the trunk open. And when you pop the trunk open, in here there's a little button that releases these flaps on each side. You kind of got to feel around for it. When you find it, you'll feel it click, slide it into the slot over here. Same thing. Feel around for the button, and whenever you find it, pop it out, snap it in. Now once that's done, you want to open the trunk, which by the way has a ton of space back here, and that's where your oil and coolant and everything else is. And then once that's done, it's like an old school style with the manual. You kind of just grab it, let it go back, push it down. There's gonna be a flap on each side. So close each flap, close the trunk, and you're good. So now you have the top down, and now top's down, take a look at the inside, the manual. It's a great gearbox, it's tried and true, it's super smooth shifting, very easy to drive. This car has a lot of good options. So it has the leather wrap dash, has the deviated stitching going all the way through the car, has the paint matched on all the trim. The seats are, you can get the bucket seats like come in the GT4, or if you want to be more comfortable, you can get the 18 ways. These are the 18 ways, the Spyder logo stitched instead of the Porsche crest, and also the paint match deviated stitching. This car has a sport chrono, which is between your front vents. So it's a really well spec'd car. It's kind of I look at this car as kind of the comfort. You got your Bose, you got your nice 18-way seats, Alcantara all throughout. It's a very comfortable car to drive around and enjoy. Now to put the roof back up, what you want to do is put the car in the ACC position. To close it, you're going to hold that button, which is going to just pop the rear trunk and kind of reverse the steps you just took. Pull the top up, this down, and then these things snap in just like they snap down here. So you find your release button, pop right back in. You will see that the latch is open still right here. So you just want to finish it off. Plenty of storage. The plastic surrounds covering the brake fluid, washer fluid, cabin filters, so on and so forth. These cars also come with a kit that's going to have your tow hook, your triangle. This side you're going to have your tire inflator, which you'd be surprised how often these are missing from the cars. This Boxster Spyder, like I said, it's basically a GT4 with a removable roof. The roof is, it's kind of bare bones. It's old school manual, which I prefer. There's a lot less things that go wrong. It looks super awesome, super aggressive. I think all around this is an amazing car. If you want a Boxster, this is the one you want. The GTS is a very close second, of course, but the Spyder to me, with that engine that comes out of the GT4, the power, the gearbox, it's just phenomenal. If there's any questions you guys have about this car, there is a link listed below. The car is for sale right now. Any questions or comments, please put it in the description and like and subscribe. Thank you.